Assalamu alaikum. I'm Ms. Sadia Shahzad and I'm here with the second lesson from Unit 13, Role of Technology in the Economy. The learning outcome for today's lesson is describe the interdependence of different countries in manufacturing of finished products, for example, raw materials, energy resources, and skilled labor. First of all, let us see what is raw material. Raw material is anything that is in its original form and has not yet changed its shape. For example, wheat grain in a field. There is a whole process through which the wheat passes before it reaches you, the consumer, in the form of bread. What is workforce? The people who work in the production of any raw material to change its form to produce anything are skilled workforce. Typical raw materials include oil that produces gasoline, polymers, etc., gas that provides us with natural gas, LPG, seawater, it provides us with salt, sodium hydroxide, chlorine, air that contains nitrogen, argon, oxygen, water in its purified form, and many other chemicals require water for reactions. Wood that provides us with paper and resin. Minerals, rocks, copper, gold, and other precious metals. What is global interdependence? We have talked about the world becoming a global village thanks to technology. New trends and ideas are emerging around the world simultaneously. However, the world needs a few traits to ensure each country is providing its people with the best possible resources. Every country needs to be sure of what they need and how can they be helpful with their surplus products to other countries around the world. They need to be sure that their workforce has a few qualities embedded in them. They should be socially, morally, and ethically self-aware. Skills of problem solving, creativity, adaptive and analytical thinking should be in them. They should know how to work in collaboration, having good communication skills. Let us take Beacon House as an example of development of workforce. Mrs. Nasreen Kasoori began with Lizange Montessori in 1975 with 19 children. It grew over a time period of 45 years gradually, developing into a system with Beacon House School System, the educators, TNS Beacon House, Gymboree Play and Music, Beacon House National University, Concordia Colleges, and so many other projects spread internationally, catering to educational needs of children and developing workforce from education providers like teachers to management teams to finance department to custodian staff and so many people. Being a private system, it is playing a big role in the economic and workforce development of Pakistan under the Chief Executive Mr. Qasim Kasoori and excelling with a vision to cater more and serve with the best workforce during the pandemic with Beacon House schooling uninterrupted. Importance in today's market. Today's job market is technology oriented. It is very important for every skilled worker to be able to use technology-based machinery in his or her field of expertise. It is essential that every worker is flexible enough to adapt to new techniques. People learn new techniques, analyze the pros and cons. They further evolve the technique to save more time and energy, and that is where the workforce develops to manage new techniques. It is very important to be able to make effective decisions by comparing, contrasting, and analyzing different situations in life. In order to do so, it is important to be socially collaborative. Answer the following. Why do you think is it essential to develop workforce? What kind of workforce developed more during the year 2020? Why? I hope you enjoyed the lesson. See you soon. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Thank you.